Okay, y'all, so I'm finna go in the bathroom. Okay. So I am eating Cheetos, hot Cheetos, and the Chipotle Ranch. Ooh. So I just got back from school. Right? It was a hard day because because there's a girl in my class named Jazara, and her nickname is Novi. She said she was bi, and she dated one of my friends that I knew for so long. But at the end of the day, she wanted to say it was a joke. When she acts like it, too. Not trying to be rude if you're watching. But my grandma forced me to do math. And we have SBAC testing tomorrow. And for my birthday, I'm getting a new phone, so don't worry. And I'm finna turn 12. So this is how fancy people eat. Madam. And this is how black and original people eat. And that's stupid. Okay, but I need to do my math. So, remember, stay ghetto, you dig? Wait, hold up. One more thing. Nah, I'll just tell you in my next video. It's gonna be a surprise. Stay ghetto, you dig?